Software Spring. Presence. How to use small in Google Sheets. Hi folks. Greetings. Welcome to the tutorial on the small function. Here are some key points about small. Small returns the nth smallest element, in a range or array. Small can return the smallest element, second smallest element, or the nth smallest element. Here are just some scenarios, for which using the small function would be ideal. Get the 5 lowest amounts allocated to a budget. Get the 10 lowest yearly salaries from a salary range. Get the first, third, fifth smallest product sample size, used for quality check. Alright, here's the format of the small function. Let's look at an example. Data is the range, or array, from which you want to get the nth element. N is the number, which specifies which of the smallest elements to get, from the range or array. This example returns the fifth smallest element. Moving forward, here is an objective to use the small function. To get the lowest 3 monthly average balances of different banks. I will create another table, which helps to get any nth lowest monthly average balance. We can use any of these numbers, as the value for the n attribute. That is, we do not have to hard-code the value. OK, I will type the formula in this cell. First, type equal to, S, M. Select small from the menu. For the range, click this cell, and shift-click this cell. Type comma. For n, click this cell, because first we want the smallest monthly average balance. Press enter. Alright, small has returned the lowest monthly average balance. Now, before we copy the formula to this cell, we need to change the relative address of the range, to an absolute address. Why do we need an absolute address? Because when we copy the formula, as is, to this cell, the range will change to this. So, to retain the original range, we should make the address absolute. OK, let's go ahead and make the change. Click before the letter B. Press F4. The dollar signs indicate that the address is absolute. Let's copy the formula to this cell, and this cell. There you go. Small has returned the second and third lowest monthly average balances. Say, you want to get the 5th, 7th, and 9th smallest elements. All you need to do, is to change these numbers. Alright, small has returned the required values. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.